Hello there and welcome to day 19 of the Twitter marketing strategies and walking challenge. I've had a separate challenge myself today because I've been looking for a simple phone, something simple and something that will do for my father-in-law who doesn't use smartphones, and eventually I found this shop. It took a while, but it's like anything you do online. When you're looking for a solution to a problem, you just got to be like a terrier and get after it. This is the fourth shop I've been to today in the sweltering heat. Unfortunately, the last shop I went to, really brilliant. It said, no, we don't do it, but I know a man who does. So that was great. And it's the same when you build a landing page for people to come to you. You want to be solving one problem. This guy solves my one problem today, and then I'll probably come back for other services. The same with your offer. You want to be solving one problem at a time, okay? It's as simple as that, and then people will come back and buy more stuff from you, okay? So when you're making your offer, make sure that it settles one problem at a time. Right now I'm hot and I'm sweaty and I'm just going to head down to the beach. I hope you have a good day too, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye now.